Hello, welcome back to the Off-Grid family. Today I'm just going to do a quick print with some multicolored filament I got off Amazon. It wasn't too expensive, but it wasn't cheap either, and I just wanted to see what it looked like. So this is just a very quick print to, see if it's any good. And my nephew wanted a few toys, so I thought, you know what, perfect timing. I've got multicolored filament and he wants some toys, so let's get it going. Okay, because we are doing fidgets, I thought we'd break out the multicolored filament. This is dual filament and it's blue and green. And something I like about this filament, I've not bought this one before, but it's got actually how many meters on this side and how many grams this side, so you can sort of guess, work out how many grams as you're going down. I'm not sure if that's a common thing because I've never seen it before, but that doesn't mean anything. Oh, I do like that sound. Right, let's get it in the 3D printer. Okay, this one here is a book holder opener page thing. It just relaxes your thumb a bit, and I think this one looks pretty cool. I like the way it changes colour as you spin it. It's an okay print. It wasn't on really good quality or anything, obviously. But I'll try and put all of these models in the description. None were made by me, they were just printed by me. But I think it's quite a nice colour, actually. Okay, a little gearbox. This is a little bit of fun, I suppose. Considering it's a print in place, it's pretty good. Now here it's a bit unfortunate. The 3D printer's auto brim thing came on. I didn't want to print with a brim, but it would have been much easier had I not. But I just didn't notice at the time, so I'll just clean this up and I will be back. I think that's absolutely incredible. Okay, there you go. The filament looked really nice. It had a really nice sort of shine to it, and my nephew absolutely loved the bits and bobs. So, you know, it's definitely worth looking out for when it comes into sale anyway, because it can be quite expensive. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. See you again soon. Bye for now.